Hello everyone, this is Jim Krasinski with your week 16 screencast video. The next video that'll be produced will be toward the end of the week. It'll be the course wrap-up video where I talk about the final exam assignment that'll be due during finals week. More about that later. So I'm looking at this week's schedule. Remember the final draft of your cover letter, which is essay 4, is due Tuesday, end of day. Right now I am producing this video on Sunday evening. So the two peer reviews are due Sunday tonight, end of day. The e-portfolio assignment is due Sunday the 13th at the end of day. I'll get to that in a minute. But I want to remind everybody to take advantage of you submitting your revisions to the original essay assignment for great reconsideration. As you revise the two essays for the portfolio, why not upload those revised essays to the original assignments so that you can earn some more points on those. Remember to review the e-portfolio instructions and videos before completing and uploading your published link to the assignment in the course unit. So this particular assignment, the e-portfolio, let me get to the course units. This assignment upload is right in the unit for the ePortfolio. So if you click on the ePortfolio upload here, this will give you the same type of submission format. Click on Write Submission, upload your published link. That's once again your published link to the text box, and then click Submit. All right, now I'll pick up that published link and I will assess from there. So you want to make sure that you do upload this published link. The idea here is that it must be published because some of the content that you upload to it might be uploaded correctly, but because the link is not published, I may not be able to view it. And if I cannot view it, I cannot adequately assess that. So that's the warning here. So please publish linked to the portfolio here in the course unit. So let's get back to announcements. All right, so once again, just to wrap up here, final draft is due Tuesday. The e-portfolio is due Sunday. The lecture video at the end of the week will be the course wrap, and then also about the final exam, which is basically you writing a letter about your social practices and participation. If you have a few moments this week, you may be able to just kind of read the section in the syllabus about social practices and participation. That will be your final exam assignment that needs to be posted during finals week. And I'll put that out there toward the weekend. All right, I think that's about all I have here for the week 16 screencast video. It's a bit short. Just want to remind everybody to be safe out there. Good luck this week. If you have any questions, everybody knows where to find me.